Hello everyone, welcome to this week's new releases. All of these releases will be available on the website Wednesday at noon Eastern. There will be special pricing on the foil bundle from Wednesday to Monday, and the limited edition colorway of the Doodles will also be available Wednesday through Monday. So let's get into this week's new releases. I have one reformat, one new exclusive art, and then just a new kit. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's start first with the Doodles. Then we'll move on to the foil and then the collections last. So let's go through the color of the week, which is a really pretty blue. This would go great with the Believe kit and any like fourth kits, anything that has this like really pretty blue in it, and would pair well with the foil bundle that came out last week, which was the red and blue. Wait, where's the, I almost lost it. Okay. The red and blue foil bundle that came out last week. So you have page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then the newest sheet, which is sheet 9. And all of these doodles individually can be found in shop in their little pastel colorways, which we will get into those. So this week we have Poops. These are in the classic kind of colorway. And then we also have like brown ones, you know. These are for anything you need them for, but I always feel like I need a poop sticker, so we needed them. And then I have cameras, like DSLR cameras in the regular colorway and then a classic colorway. There is the ring stickers, which this one has a white band, and then the colored stone. It's very minimal, but it's there. And then this one here has a white stone, so like a diamond. And then this one's like a lighter gray and a mid-tone gray and a light gold and like a regular gold. So kind of like the regular and then a classic colorway. And then there's also the playbills, which have been requested. So this one's in the regular colorway and a classic colorway. And then this was requested by Kirsten. This is a curbside pickup. And she was like, I couldn't find stickers for this anywhere. And I was like, let's do it. So this is the regular colorway and this is classic. So it has like white, gray, darker gray, and black. So those are the 10 new doodles for this week. I'm super excited because next week there's some breakfast ones, which are so cute. I think there might be a couple weeks of breakfast TBH. And then I have a whole nother order of more custom ones coming and also more custom ones that I haven't released yet. So I'm really excited about those. Let's get into the foil for this week. So the foil bundle itself is the Confetti format and it is in rose. There is the 6 full boxes in the glitter headers, 2 sheets of those, the 2 sheets of Bougie, the icons and scripts, and then the fancy headers, 15mm washi overlay, the deco, and then the date numbers. And I don't know about y'all, but I have been obsessed with rose recently. I talked about it in my last kit lineup where I just had to like hold back because I wanted to use so much rose. So I ended up using like matte bronze for one of the weeks, but I don't know what it is this year. Like I just really want to use rose for everything, especially in March. I feel like a lot of us associate March with green, and I feel like this color pink, like the muted pink, like kind of like, it's kind of matte, you know, looks really great with green. So I'm just obsessed and like cannot wait to use that so many times. So glad to have those, and that'll be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. And let's go into the foil for this week. I'm actually terrible and did not organize it, but I have 3 new quote overlays for y'all. So these are all magical inspired. Let me find the silver one. So here is the first one. So this one has just keep swimming. Some people are worth melting for. I don't want to survive. I want to live, which is from Wally. And then our fate lives within us. You only have to be brave enough to see it. And they're just so beautiful. Let me get a close up there. So cute. So magical inspired quotes. They will come in all 4 colorways. So you have gold, silver, rose, and then hollow. The next one here is the second option. So this one has Ohana means family. Sorry, that's my make sure you take your vitamins alarm. Ohana means family. Family means no one gets left behind or forgotten. There's no one I'd rather be than me. The things that make me different are the things that make me me. And then the very thing that holds you down are going to lift you up. So pretty. I can't wait to use these. And they're all kind of like neutral quotes. I feel like you could use like outside of a magical spread. Do you know what I mean? And then the last one here is, where is it? Oh, here it is. Okay, so let me find the silver one. So here is this one, which says, the flower that blooms in adversity is the most rare and beautiful of all. Sometimes the right path is not the easiest one. Even miracles take a little time, and all that it takes is faith and trust. So cute with the pixie dust around it. I love it. So that is the 3 new quotes for this week, quote boxes. I'll put them all in the same listing, I think, because I want to add to this later and do more magical quotes. I have a list of them. So love those. Let's get into the kits for this week. Let's do the new exclusive art first. I'm so excited for this. It's beautiful. And I'm going to be using it in October. I'm going to my friend Jessica's wedding. Jessica J. Who plans, not her wedding. Oh my God. No. Her sister's wedding. Oh my gosh. Can you imagine? So this is the kit and I just am obsessed with it. I haven't done a beach wedding kit. I've done wedding kits, but nothing like super beachy, and I'm just obsessed with this. It's so pretty. So you have the 2 different double box scenes, so you kind of like bridesmaids or guests, and then the kind of like altar. You have a cake, some vow books, and a quote here, "As the ocean has no end, so does my love for you," and then just some like really pretty jewelry and like flat lay floral pieces. Obsessed with these colors, super like neutral but still beachy. You have your glitter headers, your extra boxes here, which has the champagne and the champagne flute with the bouquet, and then a really pretty lantern. You have your square boxes and rounded boxes, the little things page. I'm just obsessed with this format, y'all. I cannot get over it, and I cannot wait to use it. It's always the bummer of formats is I usually have seen them a month before y'all have seen them, and then by the time that I'm using them, it's usually like months and months after, because you know we plan ahead. Then there's a reception box, which is great for a quote, and then you have the split bottom washi and the header overlays, and then the freebie in both the mini and ultimate is an extra color. So this is a really pretty like nudie peach. Obsessed with this kit. I love it, and I really wanted to kind of like bulk up my wedding kits because I feel like, especially now, a lot of people are getting married. I'm going to, I think, 2 weddings this year, and I've been invited to more. I just feel like everyone's getting married and we need kits for them. So it's nice to have a nice arsenal in the shop for y'all to pick from. It also does come in a mini kit. Let me show y'all the format since it is relatively newer. You have the same full boxes, the same deco page, the same glitter header page. This is the mini kit page, and then the bottom washi page, which the same freebie as the ultimate. And then we'll go into the, oh, these extras are so pretty. Let's go into them. So you have the add-on options. So you have the ombre heart check boxes. You have the functional, which has the 8 heart checklist and the mini icons with the once more with love icons in them. There is the label sampler and the doodles, which I've been obsessed with the doodles. The doodles is for sure the most purchased add-on now. The label sampler used to be, but this is the most purchased add-on now. And then there is 6 different fan boxes. As per usual, when we do fams, you have the tall box with the presumed bride. You have this really, really gorgeous, like honestly, like whenever I saw this art, I was pretty blown away with everything. But this hair, I was like, wow, like just wow. I like messaged her, I'm like, the hair though, it's so beautiful, especially like blown up. You can see like all of the details and like even the like the red on this, but like every single one of them is like this hair, like look at the blonde too, like that hair. I'm obsessed. Anyway, I can't get over it. I can't get over it. And then you have another fashion option, and this is actually from the January mystery I just recolored. So that is number 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my God, so beautiful. I'm just in love. And like, let's go through all of the sparkles in the dress. And I still can't get over the hair. Like even that hair. I feel like Jess is just so good at hair. And then fam 6. I'm obsessed. It's beautiful. I literally can't even. It's probably one of my favorite customs. It's just so pretty. And I love the scenes like in this like the like sun ray and like the water. It's just so pretty. I just love it. Then the next kit is We Did It, which has been requested and requested and requested to be reformatted. And I had already made the boxes to just like update the old format, and I was like, what the heck, let's just like, since I already had it pulled to update the boxes, I was like, let's just reformat it, let's just do it, let's take the extra steps and just reformat this into the new format. So you have the same full boxes as before, but now it says SBC grad 2022. Thinking about it now, I should have just left 2022 out and just wrote SBC grad so that it's better for future years, but also I can just add things on for later. So you have the full boxes, you have the, I don't remember, I think I might have changed the colors. I think maybe the green was in here. Did I? I don't remember. I think I did. Because then also I think the bar was the dark green. I think I did. So you have the extra full boxes over here. The rounded boxes. I love the glitter. It's like a fake gold glitter throughout. The solid, the pattern. I might have switched out the patterns too. Extra full box, which is perfect for a quote overlay. And then the extra color. I'm pretty sure the green was in the kit before I changed it out. You know, I was figuring if we're changing it up, we're putting in the new format, let's switch it up all together. Oh, so pretty. And I have so many reformats coming that are like to die for, and I'm so excited about them. So here is the ultimate. It also comes in a mini kit. There is the birthday add-on, which was super popular before. So you can take out all of the like grad elements and make it very birthday. And it says celebrate there. And it's just like a picture. Kind of looks like a frame TV actually. And then you do have the well, let's just go through the other options first. So you have the Doodles, the ombre, the functional, and then the label sampler. And then there is the fam options. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So those are the fam options and all of the a la carte options for We Did It, which is so pretty. I actually used this as a birthday kit, I believe, last year. I think that this would be really pretty with gold, obviously, or a mixed metal moment. It would be really pretty with rose, and it would also be really pretty with matte bronze, I think. And then also for this one, I think that the foil options are another one that you can go so many different ways. I think silver is a very obvious option. I feel like you could do silver, mixed metal, you could do rose with this, you could do hollow because it has like the blues and the greens. And I think any kit that has blues and greens in it really does lend to the hollow because hollow has like that blue-green shift in it along with other colors. Matte bronze would be really pretty with this one. There's just so many, and it's just so beautiful. So let's go into the final kit, and this one is called Demo Day, and it is kind of like a home improvement type set, which is super cute, and I love the colors in this. So let me go ahead and open this and show y'all. Super cute. Okay. I have a kit coming out next week. Oh my God. I've been waiting, but I wanted to get the beach wedding one out because I know people have like beach weddings kind of in May too. So, or even all year round because like destination. So next, I'm going to try and release like an exclusive art almost every week and like a new one. And that one, like, y'all, it's been like, the idea has been sneaked many times that I'm doing it. So it's finally coming. Okay. So this one's Demo Day, and you have like a before and after here, which I think is really cute for like a double box, or you could totally do like a extender. And I think that'd be really cool. You have the 2 fashion options, 2 flat lays, and then the 2 regular boxes, which are so cute. I love the colors in this. I think this would be really pretty with silver because it would blend, but I feel like you could do like a fun color to make it pop. I love this double box. I like, favorite in the kit is this double box. It's so pretty, and I'm so excited now that it was able to fit the 2 boxes in the mini kit. I feel like before I was just concerned about getting rid of too many functional things, but whenever I polled, I think like a lot of people want the extra boxes in the mini kit, which is exciting because I don't feel like, oh, I need to make sure everything is in the main boxes because these boxes aren't in the mini kit. Like everything's in the mini kit now too, so I just feel like I can spread the love to all the boxes. Super cute patterns, bottom washi, your extra box here, and then the freebie in both mini and ultimate is an extra color, which is this dark gray color here. So that, oops, is Demo Day. It also comes in a mini kit as always. Let's slide it back in. So we have the ultimate kit, the mini kit, and then you have the doodle if you want to add it on. These colors are so pretty. So pretty. Ugh. They remind me of something, but I can't put my finger on it though. The functional, the fashion, so cute. The label and the ombre. So that is everything for this week, y'all. Also, don't forget to check out the flash sale. Last week, I did 50% off of foiled full box quotes, which if you're watching this Monday morning, possibly could still be available. It depends on when I do listings. I switch it out. But I've been doing a new flash sale every week, and y'all have been loving that. And I'm also glad that y'all loved my little preview reel. I always just feel like I'm like, are my reels even good? Like, does anybody actually like them? And I think of that reel that's like, my reels are enjoyed by 4 people worldwide, but I'm glad that y'all like them, and I will continue to do them because they're actually really fun to do. Now that I feel like I kind of get it a little bit more and I'm not just like flying solo. But that's everything for this week. I hope that y'all like this week's new releases, and I will talk to y'all in my next video.